So the top 10 websites for remote jobs worldwide for 2024. What I love about these websites is no matter your experience level, no matter your education, you can find a job anywhere around the world. So the number 10 website for remote jobs on the list is called Pangene.com. Pangene is a remote job board with over 200,000 plus remote job opportunities in over 100 different countries. Some of the job opportunities that you are going to find on Pangene are going to be website developer, customer service, data entry, and many others. There are tons of writing jobs are open right now on Pangene, and most of them are worldwide and most are specifically for some of the countries. I'll make sure to leave its link in description for you guys to check out. If you guys want to check out Pangene, it's pangene.com. So number 9 website for remote jobs on the list is called virtualvacations.com. Virtual Vacations is a minimalist job board that offers a tons of job opportunities in a variety of career fields. Beside all the awesome remote job opportunities that Virtual Vacation offers, one of the positives that I see on this website is the awesome blog that is offered for digital nomads and remote workers, and tons of great tips. You can check out latest job posting at Virtual Vacations. And also you can check remote and online data entry job openings available to work from home as a data entry clerk, supervisor, or assistant if you are interested in data entry work. If you guys want to check out Virtual Vacations, it's virtualvacations.com. So go check it out. The number 8 website for remote jobs on this list is called jobspresso.co. Jobspresso has thousands of remote job opportunities ranging from customer service to software, and some of the more well-known companies that offer remote job opportunities on Jobspresso are Canva, Trello, and Stripe, along with many others. And you can explore some of the content writing and editing job here on Jobspresso. If you are interested in content writing and specifically writing jobs, here are some awesome opportunities available. If you guys want to check out Jobspresso, it's jobspresso.co. The number 7 website for remote jobs on the list is called Indeed.com. Indeed is not just specifically a remote job board, but it is the largest job board in the world. Indeed offers job opportunities and remote job opportunities in every category you can think of, from local to worldwide. If you guys want to check out Indeed, it's Indeed.com. And number 6 website for remote jobs on the list is called TheMuse.com. The Muse is not dedicated specifically to remote jobs, but you have the option to filter out remote jobs on the site, besides a ton of different remote job opportunities in all sort of different career fields. The Muse offer tips and coachings as well. If you guys want to check out The Muse, it's themuse.com. Go check it out. If you guys feel like you don't have the qualifications or the experience to go out and get some of these jobs that I talk about, like digital marketing side of things, I invite you to go check out Course Careers. The courses that they have right now are technology, sales, information technology, software development, data analytics, UI UX, human resources, and our new one they just had it is digital advertising. We are going to go ahead and click on that one so you can go and sign up for a free course with any one of these to kind of see if this is what you would like to do for the rest of your life or until you retire. So the number 5 website for remote jobs on the list is called Remotive.io. It's another job board that has a very minimalist look to it. It caters to companies such as Apple, Shopify, Stripe, Square, Zapier, many others. Remotive offers job opportunities in software development, customer service, design, marketing, sales, human resources, and tons of other. It also offers some great resources if you are interested in remote work or wanted to be a digital nomad. If you want to check out Remotive, it's remotive.com. So the number 4 website for remote jobs on the list is remoteok.com. RemoteOK is another one of those minimalist job boards that services over 2.4 million people and claims itself to be the number 1 remote job board. on the internet. Remote OK serves companies such as Microsoft, IBM, and Amazon, Scale AI, Cloudflare, Stripe, Shopify, and much more. The downside to Remote OK is it's geared more toward tech and engineering. If you guys want to check out Remote OK, it's remoteok.com. Go check it out. And the number 3 website for remote jobs on the list is called remote.co. Remote.co was founded by Sarah Sutton, who also founded FlexJobs. FlexJobs focuses on hybrid and remote jobs, and Remote.co focuses mainly on remote jobs. Remote.co offers tons of resources from interview to resume tips. They offer a wide variety of remote job opportunities from customer success to customer service to tech, and they serve over 145 different countries. If you guys want to check out, it's remote.co. So the number 2 website for remote work on the list is called weworkremotely.com. We Work Remotely is the largest remote job board in the world with over 4.5 million visitors. We Work Remotely offers remote job opportunities from customer service, sales, and programming, and works with companies like Google and Amazon. They have tons of resources. If you guys want to check out We Work Remotely, it's weworkremotely.com. So the number 1 website for remote work on the list is called FlexJobs. FlexJobs is hands down the most comprehensive remote job board online. FlexJobs offer a wide variety of remote jobs across the job spectrum. They work with hundreds of companies from IBM to Squarespace, and the amount of resources that they offer for remote worker is second to none. If you guys want to check out FlexJobs, it's flexjobs.com. Hopefully you guys found the information in this video valuable. If you did, so make sure and hit the subscribe button, make sure and hit that notification bell, and make sure and hit that thumbs up. If you guys have any comments or questions, just drop them in the comment section down below, or just let me know where you're coming from. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care.